What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my first tricks. First tricks I ever did. Today I'm going to be showing you a trick with a quarter and an ink pen from Mexico. Now, it's crazy because this ink pen is supposed to give you have magic powers if you use the right words. So we take the quarter, place it in my hand, and close it. Now watch. Arriba, arriba, arriba. Whoa, the pen disappeared. Look, I'm only playing with you. But watch. 1, 2, 3, arriba. Like that, the quarter disappears also. Stick around, I will teach you how to do this illusion. Now, the way to do this trick is pretty simple. It's a lot of fun. I learned it whenever I was very young, and it always gets a good laugh. You want to make sure that you're sitting kind of sideways toward the person. Then you show them the quarter. You place it in your hand just like that, and you hold it there. And as you go, 1, and tap your hand. 2, tap your hand. On the third one, you just leave it in your ear. See? And you tap your hand, and you look like, wow, where did the pen go? And everybody's like looking at you. And whenever you show them that it's in your ear, it gets a good laugh. But at the same time, you're showing them that it's in your ear, the quarter in your hand, you just drop it on your lap. So, you drop it on your lap, then you make the magic word again and show it's both vanished. So one more time. Well, if I can find the quarter, there it is. The pen's behind your ear. You're holding it. You take your hand to the edge of the table. Like, I'm moving like this. Big action covers the small action. So, I'm taking my hand to the edge of the table, near my lap. As I'm grabbing this, right here, I'm dropping the quarter. Then I'm showing the pen. Hands already back up. Everybody was looking at this here. So the quarter's on my lap, and you 2, 3, boom, it's vanished. Enjoy this trick. This is actually a really good trick. I mean, I love this trick. I've done it for years. Heck, it put me through the 5th grade. 5th grade, I met so many people just doing this trick because they thought it was funny. Enjoy it, because it is one of my first tricks. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Or don't like the video, it's all good. Alright, hey, see you next week.